The dependency inversion principle says high-level and low-level modules should both depend on abstractions, not on each other. And abstractions must never depend on details. Meet OrderService, the high-level business policy that must save an order, but it reaches straight into MySQLDatabase, a concrete storage detail. See this thick, dangerous dependency arrow. The result? Our business policy is chained to one specific storage technology, hard to change and hard to test. Inside OrderService, a method calls new MySQLDatabase and saves the order. This construction is the danger. The store can't be swapped. The policy can't be tested without a real database, and every storage change forces edits to the business class. Now a new wish, switch to MongoDB. OrderService cracks under the strain. Now let's invert the dependency. We define a database interface with a save order method, an abstraction. Both MySQLDatabase and MongoDB implement it. OrderService simply holds a database field, received through its constructor. This is dependency injection. OrderService no longer builds its own storage. It depends on the abstraction, so we can swap storage technologies anytime. Look at this diagram. At its center sits the database interface, exposing save. OrderService now depends on this abstraction, not a concrete class. MySQLDatabase and MongoDB implement the same interface. Arrows from the high-level policy and the low-level details meet at one abstraction. The dependency has been inverted. Look at the before version. OrderService calls new MySQLDatabase directly, welded to one technology. After, the constructor accepts a database and save delegates to db.save order. The business policy no longer names a concrete store. Because OrderService depends on an abstraction, we inject a fake in-memory database for testing. Call save, then confirm the order was stored. Same policy works, no real database needed. Depend on abstractions, not concrete classes, and inject the details from outside. The payoff: implementations swap freely, testing gets easy, and your business policy stays stable even when storage changes.